Okay, you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can hear this hoarseness in my voice, I do have a sore throat right now, so just ignore that. But so today I want to do a video on me doing a blowout with reviewing the Revlon one-step hair dryer and styler. So I've seen this blow dryer a lot on YouTube, and I asked my sister to get it for me for Christmas, which she did because it's sitting right here. So this blow dryer is supposed to cause less heat-related damage, smooth results with less frizz, and half the time. It's supposed to dry and smooth hair quickly, as well as help dry, smooth, and style hair. That's the same thing. But so yeah, and it says it's a tangle-free hairbrush. So I never really use actual hairbrush to do blowouts. I usually just had like a regular old type of blow dryer and just use like a detangling brush to pass it through. So yeah, I'm so interested in seeing how this hair dryer works, because I really wanted this so I can trim my hair a little bit better instead of always going into the salon. So yeah, so let's see how this works. I don't know, I like to smell new products. It smells good. Okay, so this is how the brush looks. It's a big paddle brush and it has these detangling bristles at the top to prevent the hair from snagging. And they have these round balls on it, which I do like. Oh my god, I'm just so hoarse, y'all. Y'all don't understand. I feel like I can't even hear myself. But they also have these settings on the side for cool, low, and high. So I think I'm just going to start off with low, because I don't, since I haven't used this before, I don't want to start off high and then it does too much for my hair. So let's just start off small and then we go work our way up, okay? Okay, so I'm working on freshly washed, deep conditioned, detangled hair. I recently did a deep conditioner, a DIY deep conditioner with banana, yogurt, and honey. So if you haven't seen it already, just click the button above here. So I already have my hair divided into 4 sections after I just finished washing it. So I'm just gonna work my way into sections and just separate. I don't want to work into too big of sections, because if I don't know how well this dryer will work, so I want to start off with small sections. Of course I will be using a heat protectant since this is my first time doing this. I don't want to damage my hair, you know what I'm saying? So okay, so I'm going to start this dryer on low. Okay, so I feel like I did so many passes and my hair is like still wet. Like, I don't know if the section I have is too big or what, but I feel like this is kind of like a medium-sized section. So I'm just gonna separate it just one more time, just so it could be smaller, to see if that'll work a little bit better. Okay, so it blow dry that piece. Okay, my hair is still a little bit damp, which I'm not liking. I'm not sure if it's just because the hair that's at here is kind of still dripping below, but yeah. Okay, so I just section off that piece, and then I'm just work. You know what? I may actually work my way up towards back ways, just to get, maybe that'll be a better result for me. Okay, so I'm gonna just work my way from the front on back, and maybe that helps a little bit for the hair to not dribble down to the back, because I just felt like my hair was just still wet and it was just kind of dry for me. So let's try it this way and see if it works. Oh my gosh, is that a piece of banana still in there? Let's see if this works this way. Part of me is starting to think that this thing is just hype, because it's not doing what I needed to do and it's starting to drive me. You know what I'm saying? So, let's try it on high. I didn't really want to go high, but it's not working out. just don't know how to feel about this blow dryer. Like, I don't know how many passes I have to go through for this thing to actually dry my hair. Like, it's really starting to get on my nerves, low-key, like, for real. Like, how long does it take? How long, you know? Like, I really feel like it shouldn't take this long to dry your hair. Like, my hair is so damp. I don't know. Like this section, it dried up pretty good. But it took like a million passes just to do that. So, I don't know. I'm gonna just give this a couple more tries on this side, and then we're gonna see, okay? We're gonna see. Lord, I don't know. Okay, you guys, so I finally blew out this entire side. I don't know, it just felt so time consuming for me. I mean, I don't really blow out my hair, so I can't really like tell you if this has really shortened the time as far as blow drying your hair or doing blowouts. This one section I would say probably took me maybe like 30 minutes or so, maybe 25 minutes. I guess that's not long because styling your hair takes longer than that, but you know, I don't know. I just felt like I had to do like smaller sections with the hair, and I thought that I could like do bigger sections. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and go finish out this side and then show y'all the final results of this blowout, okay? Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look of my blown out hair. You know what? It really didn't take that long. This side took probably about 15 minutes, really. I don't know. I just felt so long to me, per se, but I do like that it helps detangle your hair a lot with the bristles. One thing I don't like, I guess, because I have low porosity hair, I have to use higher heat compared to the low heat because my hair, it takes a longer time to dry. Since it is low porosity. So since my hair is low porosity, it takes longer to dry, which I guess is understandable, but it's still so annoying. So I have to put it on high heat for it to work effectively for me. But yeah. So yeah, I would definitely give this blow dryer another try. It's different. It's different. That's all I can really say. It's different. So like I said, I only really blow dry my hair right now just because I wanted to do a trim on my hair, because it's very much so needed. I haven't gotten a trim in about, I would say, probably 6 months or so. So it's kind of like too long and too overdue for me. So yeah. Okay, you know one thing I want to add? This thing does make good for a good paddle brush. I'm not gonna need much left. Like the dry is off right now, but it detangles so good. You know, I'm just like, okay. My final thoughts on this product. Would I recommend the Revlon One Step hair dryer? I kind of sort of would. I would give this, on a scale of 0 to 10, I would give this more like a 7. I don't know. I just felt like it would work better for me as far as drying my hair a little bit. Well, I mean, I can't say a little bit faster, but I don't know. I just didn't like the fact that I had to put it on high heat, because I really didn't want to use that much heat on my hair because I don't use heat on my hair anyways. So yeah, that's the only thing I didn't really like. I really just like the handle, and just, you know, it's so much easier to guide when you are using it, so that's a plus. And just the bristle, it did make detangling very easy. It wasn't difficult at all. And I barely pre-detangled, like, you know, as far as do a second detangle after I washed my hair. So I didn't really pre-detangle after running this through, and it worked really good. So I would probably recommend this to someone. I want to try different detangling brushes and see how well those work, and then maybe eventually I can do a comparison. But so far, I think it's an okay investment, and it retails for, I think, $39.99 or something like that. So that's not bad. for $40 pretty much, you know, for to just give it a try. So if you want to try this, I say try it out. If you don't like it, return it, you know, my motto. So yeah, just do that. I sound like a complete man right now, but yeah, so just give it a try. If you don't like it, whatever. So yeah, okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Also stay tuned for my next video on how I trim my hair with this blowout, because that was the main purpose for this. So of course I'm gonna do a video about it, so stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.